Hey, Social Cam. We are at Cedar Lake Christian Assembly. I can't never seem to get
Why
the
are you
name
always
right.
doing videos without me?
Okay.
And we're so tired, but you know what? We're getting together.
This is what tired looks like.
Okay.
Yes.
Like leftover mascara on my eyelashes from
Like leftover lipstick
the
from last
musical
night.
last night.
I believe Lady Gaga has a song that says, oh, I don't think it actually says, I don't know what it says.
She don't know what it says.
It's something
But
about your
anyway,
lipstick.
We just here
With your lipstick.
trying to get ready for this live recording tonight with Shay Norman. Shay, would you please tell everybody hello? Okay, he's hugging and stuff.
Shay.
Well, this is Kashonda. Kashonda, this is our
For social care.
on keys tonight. Tell Social Cam what's up. And
With Steve?
Shay,
With Steve? Can't really tell who it is. No. I'm going to sleep.
I've missed you so much.
he's not going to sleep. He's trying to keep everybody away. But we're so excited. We're so excited.
I would like to tell the word that I'm excited. I'm slaying in the spirit, actually.
I gotta go back
If
to
you,
Slaying in the spirit.
if you actually look at my posture, I've just passed out.
With this dress on.
Oh, done. Look, oh.
Bad combination.
You see that eyelash residue? I messed up.
Not only kidding. I'm only kidding.
Anyway, I just wanted to check in with you guys. We'll get back with y'all later. Peace.